G'day. It's a nice quiet morning here on the ranch. We had some storms come through last night. Look at this. Look at this. That's a big tree. That's a telephone pole, that one. Hopefully we can use that for some sort of building project. Just have to get it out of here. Oh, it's starting to spit rain again now. It's just amazing how much rain we've had. And the ground is sodden again. Absolutely sodden. You know, these little creeks. They probably haven't run for 15 years. Yeah, it's all pretty and nice and all that sort of stuff, but geez, we've had some rain. The ground cannot absorb any more. So now what we're looking at, hopefully, is all those aquifers underground refilling, because we are in for some dry years ahead. There's no doubt about that. So that's the overflow from this beautiful dam. Isn't that gorgeous? Definitely one of my favourite spots. On a positive note, at least the rain's keeping the mozzies away. They are ferocious. They're getting so hungry now that enough land on you, and you can feel your feet lift off the ground. They'll just pick you up and carry you away. There's that big tree. Isn't that a ripper? Any tree that grows on the side of a dam, on the dam bank, is extremely vulnerable. I'll show you another one later. That's actually the second one we've lost. Jesus, look at this. Look at that. Look at that down there. This dam has actually overflowed over the edge in the last couple of days. We've had so much rain. the storm came through last night, the poor old dog went ballistic. He thought it was the end of the world. It just bucketed down. Okay guys, hooroo.